So you depend on the live, I don't really want the fans them really attack you because certain things not add up. You know them way there. So
That's right.
you got DM DJ, see DM DJ big with the information and thing, so we can connect you, you know. Okay?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
boy, the amount of sir you call me, I must reach 40 already. Later.
Okay.
Biggie, me have to go get a beer. Hope everybody has stream Mohammed. Yeah. She's on a shot cry. You hear that? Stop the life on the girl. Stop the life on the girl, yeah? Try 876 diplomats, do it there. So we can tag it.
Good night.
Good night.
I'm actually using my friend's phone.
Yeah. Can I see you? Alright. Push up your mouth, so.
Kinda just come out of a fight.
We do.
Somebody can't really tell on the live.
You shouldn't even tell me say come out and fight then. But yeah, you hear the topic that I was speaking on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's your struggle to go towards your goal right now?
So I just started back working. I was out of a job because I was working at a company where call center where the company went bankrupt.
Which call center that?
It's called Iterum.
What?
Iterum.
Itrum?
No, not Iterum.
What?
Iterum. It's pronounced Iterum.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, and because of that, you know, I did go through a little struggle with my baby. I am basically a single mom, and my son is almost 4 years old. I am changing school because of financial reasons, and a lot of other personal reasons I really can't talk about on the live.
But so you wanted to talk to me like differently about it?
Yes, I don't have a problem with that.
But what you know, more at least something when I'm so personal, we can talk about to the fans them and everybody where they on the live where support the thing can hear so them can say yeah, Chippy, yeah, you see me? Let them see
well, I don't know what, honestly, I don't know. There's a lot, but I don't know what.
But just want you find one specific something there, one specific something where you know say it's not too personal, but or something where everybody can say.
All right, so I'm a working mother. Partially did I get help from the baby father? I've been back and forth a war with relationship issues and yeah. And every time I start out in a life, I go 10 steps back. I try work, always. At this given time, I really depend on my fear. I don't know how to put it, I don't know how to say it because really everything.
No, I have to turn one of them man counselor then, but you and your baby father still together?
No.
So you're basically fighting because you want things to be done for your kid, your son or your daughter, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we've got to talk off the air with this. So as I say, contact DJ Biggie.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Biggie. I have to go look about my thing there, you know. What you call it?
Yeah, you see?
The counselor thing, you know. Because I feel like I have it, you know. I feel like I have it. You know, if I told me, say, hi, ladies. Me. Boy, I'm going to look somebody. Boy, I don't know. I try to find somebody and, alright, I see like the brother look like him play ball. This looks serious. The brother look like him play ball. Forward. Share up the live, everybody. We are trying to help somebody in idea. The brother look like him play ball. What am I do? What am I say? And the next Raheem Sterling or Leon Bailey out of Jamaica with a nice, you know. Sir Counselor Dippo. I like that thing. You know what's the next girl come up here with a problem? I'm going to deal with it. I'm going to deal with it. The next. Run the moment with them, meanwhile, somebody join the live before them. Let's see. What them I do? Or I mean, Biggie, add one more. Add one quick.
Up at top, so?
Yeah. I see somebody come up and tell me she have man problems. She even come from Jamaica with her man problems. A Jamaican man, I most loyal man them in it, bro. You have to remember that, you know. I had more than one person.
No,
See and so. Them say unable. Let's go. May I try to help somebody towards them career? Oh. Oh. Good
Hi,
night.
hi, Valia. How are you doing? I'm from St.
St.
Vincent.
Vincent? I'm
Yes.
not do St. Vincent today.
I know you're not, but I just want to just give you a little advice. Like, probably you should just give like children like primary school, secondary school. They might be more
I'm doing
in
a
need
treat
because a person.
in August, so that's way different.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay. All right. Have a good night.
God
Bye.
loves you. Biggie, choose your Them better know, you know we have a flight to catch. Everyone better know say,
At time we are work with. Like everybody reaching now, no struggle.
look, at that me and say, nobody, them no want to take it from me. And not me. And not me. And not me. And I think I nothing. Like, people could have said, deeper rich now, say deeper. No, nothing like that.
Hello,
Oh,
good night.
oh, good night. Yeah, I wanted to hear what's your struggle to go towards your goal. What's the issue that you're having?
Oh, well, my mother, she's really sickly and she's in and out of the hospital. And I'm not working currently because I was a professional dancer. And due to a situation, I got caught up and having a daughter. So I'm not working currently. And
You find a man with the
my two
dancing.
sisters,
You go find man.
no, not finding a man.
Oh,
It was a situation.
I say good man.
So my two sisters, now and then when I have it, I send them to school. If we don't have it, they will not be going to school for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 4 more weeks. And I would love to build a little shop in the community and like sell like juices and things that children will buy so we can have
Alright. Yeah, you hear
money
me?
to generate.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah,
I mean, may I hear
yeah,
some in and out thing. So basically, correct me if I'm wrong, okay?
yeah.
Your mom is sick and you have siblings, right? But you're pregnant, right?
No, I actually have my daughter. She's right
Yeah,
here.
you have the baby right now. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So you wanted to do something in the meanwhile where you can be near her, right?
yes.
Mm. That's on. That's on. What I want to say? That's on. That makes sense. Cause I end the idea. You can't really do it. You know? All right. Yo, here we go. Do you hear me?
Yeah,
You say you want on shop.
yeah.
You know which part you gonna put the shop?
All right across the road.
Yeah, you're not to show me which part. You're not to show me which part. You're not to show me which part. Alright. So you big your phone active. You got DM DJ Biggie. More them put the DJ Biggie name in the comments and tag him say DM
No
DJ
problem.
Biggie. Okay? You hear me say?
No problem.
Make sure you DM him. Boy. You want that's for some money. I can't that's for money. I dropped my hand. Mr. Tatik in my comment, boy, Ray. From you say you have studio rich youth. What you do? Turn up that to my father. Alright, man, add some more people. I think I'm gonna give away more than what I think I was gonna give away because a lot of people. Open and stream the song 414. Soon drop. So what cost about too much science and all some different thing I come towards the ears. It's a true definition. My help her already, man. She's supposed to text Biggie, so once she texts Biggie, so Biggie trim. Right? Oh! John, what dog? Oh! I was missing something shaky, man. I get, yo. You know, really have that good patience thing there, you know? Alright. Well, Gabby, yo, one of the people in show up the life because we want really help somebody today. Come like everybody in I comment want help. Hello?
Second night.
Oh, I can't say who may talk to.
First and foremost, you see the live? Yo, I don't know, pretty up nothing. You see it? Just make we hear what I have to say. No, maybe just hear what I have to say. You see it? I don't know, pretty up nothing, brother. Please and thanks, me. I'm big on you.
Yo, I really want to help somebody sound.
It sound like you all on a flight attendant.
Sound like in rich road, my youth. So, I try to help somebody. Be a joke thing. I mean, just not click on the right person then. Bro, I really want to help somebody that come like a joke thing, bro. Room! Oh! Big it up the music, I don't really want to get curved on your life. So them can't go games.
So somebody have a story.
Somebody have a story. And you for come tell about that story the way I go through. Nobody watch no face or take no hype, you know.
No take no hype.
Yeah, man.
If you know say you can't buy that one bread, then don't take no hype. Please, just come talk your life story.
What you talk about? What you not go on your life, what's that? The selector if I come with some, yo, brother. Me had people, I'm not asking nobody. Yeah, and if them Wi-Fi, or I'm on it, if them Wi-Fi not good, we can't tell them that I'm mad. Fight them a fight, you know. Me had people, enough of them are the cars. I don't can't deal me about the money. When I have to talk right there, so Jesus Christ, man, I have to repeat myself. I'm forward now. Oh, turn on this the biggie. Oh. Oh.
Good night.
Oh.
You hear me?
Man, me I hear man, my father, man. But me not.
I kinda.
You're there in the darkness. I'm there in the light, so something right.
Women
Plug
live.
in the sun. Plug in the sun now. Content, we are dealing with brother. What everybody talk in the darkness?
The light not too shine, shine bright. We don't have the kind of light.
Me were yesterday, my father, man. Wait,
yeah,
before tell us your story and what you're going through at this current moment to get some help. Alright. Can you somebody pin that? Sherry London, can somebody pin that for me, please? Yeah, talk with your turn, father.
He's a student, as I can tell. Me not six form. Like, my parents them now work right now. Now them I have a grandmother who help me. She send me to school, isn't me?
Yeah.
She my mother, she send me to school. Sometimes me not go school and that affect me and me not have certain things like device and them thing there when me not go school and like them would keep class and them thing there and me not really have it, you see me? Just me thank God for my grandmother and me thank God for my people them cause them make me do them. I have a little brother too same way. I go to school and I just want to become something in life. Is more the place where I live
Where you live?
and a normal place. I live in a ghetto, a community
Where you live?
named Dem Shaken, Spanish Town, St. Catherine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I live in a place where every day a young youth are dead, you see
Yeah.
me? Or every other you hear something and that just have my way sometimes. And I just want to do something with my life, more helping people and more want to get out of the bad place, the bad area. I'm just want a change for them,
Yeah.
you see me?
I'm
Even though,
respect that.
even though me myself would have even work right now to help them, help my father.
Yeah, but you know, watching. You hear me?
Yeah,
You
me here.
know, go leave school. You see me?
Yeah. Me I talk like, me know me
But
can't leave
part
school. Like, I that me have
time.
to, yeah?
You don't want something part time.
Yeah, something part time. That me mean.
Okay. Okay.
For
So your mother and your father up them active.
them asleep right now. Me there have one house. Me and my brother live in a house. Them mother and father asleep right now. Then they done next house. Live at my grandmother place me now.
Mm.
But grandmother alive. That my mother. That my father.
Yo, you
Mother.
don't really respond to nobody have to step on your life still in more while and come more when you get curved. You see, once you said to me, say you want better for yourself, that I want time
Yeah.
for sure, say yo, me never I get that, so me I gotta try to help you. You see me I say, but me as a man, me have to tell
Yeah.
it straight and plain, you know, bro. You see me? You see, one
Yeah.
make sure a serious thing you want to talk about, bro. You see me I say, and I don't know, gay.
Yeah.
You see me I say, bro,
I'm just man. Me
yeah,
serious.
father.
Uh,
Yeah, man, father, man. Because when it come to them things, bro, with it's what you just said. You know, enough people don't understand. You're ambitious youth. You know how much man ambitious, brother. Them that right
yeah.
now, the man even said to me, say more the money, brother. The man say me that rather look all the work and them little thing they charge. You see me? I don't know sweet man thing or nothing, bro. You see style? Yeah, man, you.
Yeah.
I'm rate that the mates that we have. I'm over the same headspace they have a pushing in school work too. You see me? I say,
So how my father
go
grow me,
on to your
man.
man,
How my
Mohammed,
father
man.
grow
Oh
me.
gosh, man. I lick a cold bump preach, man. When me hear man say, yo, Jano, yo, here we are gonna do. Man, I link
Yeah.
DJ Biggie. You see me? I say,
Yeah.
and can somebody can write the name again for me, please? DJ Biggie. Him and me DJ. If nobody not get to see the name, I go repost me and DJ Biggie and tag him. You see me? I say, you go link him. Me and connect you.
Alright.
Alright,
No free speech,
just
man.
stay focused. You see me?
Give
I say,
time.
I'm gonna want yo, me I go talk half of the year. You hear that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
No free speech. Thank to them, Tony. Like,
Chick man, my father.
big up.
More me,
Yes, and then
bro.
the reason
More
them
me,
here talk
bro.
about.
Run,
And then they
run the
sit them
song,
here
now,
talk
man.
about. And then they sit them
Run the
here
song, now,
talk
man.
about. Then they sit them here talk about.
Next.
And then the signal we are talking about. Then the type of reasonability we are talking about.
If you want, straightforward.
I don't know, pretty boy thing, man. You see? Them the reason that we are talking about.
Mohammed, man, I want, bro, you see that song, the Mohammed, bro. I don't want to feel, nobody feel like, say, yo, or some cat thing or no joke thing, bro. You know how long me I try? I mean, he's not a hype person or a boasty person, bro. A long time me I do this thing, bro. Yo, I should even know that. Nobody can tell me, say, God no real, brother. How next?
How?
Valiant.
Done.
Alright, now, me not really I represent for myself, cause my brother not there right now. So, me I talk.
I don't like the darkness thing. Anybody else come on the live with the darkness thing, bro? I mean, if you dark on the live. Listen, me see what I want.
You see me?
Come on, sit there now on dark part.
You see me now?
Yeah, you're up. Where's the number, father?
Alright, now, me, myself, me I talk because my brother not there right now. Me I talk for him. Him is a young artist, right? Who mother just dropped out January 27. No, 23. And I'm a father alone I wrote. And him is a young artist, so would I really like to check out him TikTok page and listen to music, cause he need a little help in a music industry. So me I beg you to check out him TikTok page. His name Shamdan_music. Him talented, very talented. Me I beg you do please check out him TikTok page.
Alright, my father. Here we go on. Your brother you talk about though?
Yes.
Am I work?
No.
No work. Okay, so sometimes some side hustle can help, you know, bro. Some side hustle can help towards the music, bro. Alright, watch out. Me don't want to be, you know, me don't know who they on the life, so me don't even cuss no bad word. Me don't want to be no fussy, bro. Yo.
Valiant. Me not say like him not work. He might try a little bit. Sometime him have this little money like in gas studio with it.
No. Little funds are coming, but what me I say to you, dad?
Yeah.
Yo, me, no other artist right now can't really help, bro. You right now, bro. Me don't want to sound like a fussy. What you have to do, I put in the work. Yeah, me can share it and post it, bro. And
yes.
But then again, bro, no people are gonna skip past that, bro. Oh, come on. Just on the next regular artist with Valley Post or some, bro. You just have to work, bro. Me don't want to be no hypocrite. You see me, I say? I'm a love how you look out for your people, bro. You see me, I say? You just have to work. I have a problem for help towards that, for give at least a link to a studio to put in more work. Which part you live?
Me live St. Catherine.
Oh, St. Catherine. Alright. Boom. When me I say that was my problem, bro. Me didn't want too much help, bro. Me never try to look in on myself and say, yo, me had all the help what me need, bro. Man, I say you don't need people around you to really guide you, bro. But when it comes to certain things towards your goal, dog, or some meeting, bro. So for him have to really want it. You see, like how you want it for him have to want it too, bro. You see me I say? So what me I say to you upon the life, what me can do is give a connection. Enough producer depend on the life so we see. She say, yo, I'm gonna listen to him too. What name?
Shamdan_music on TikTok.
On TikTok. Alright
yes.
Then. We're gonna look for you. Tell me it again.
Shamdan_music.
Underscore.
Like theme song them are like some.
Whining.
You have couple girls.
Are you in this?
Yeah, in that.
You just follow. So I'm gonna tell you, you just have to do everything I do.
Play one song. Just play video. Just play video. Yeah, just play video. But then here, wait man. Be not chat. Play on the chat.
Wait, chat, bro. When the name is Sound 11?
No. Let's turn back your phone to your screen and me see picture. Me see
So
your
you say,
face.
a TikTok, him have him song, him have it on YouTube.
Yeah, have it on YouTube too.
Yeah. We're not killing nobody's dream, so we're gonna look for it so we can hear the song. You see me? I say. So who don't want to
Respect.
see it can come off like we're helping. You see me? Make we hear it. I say I'll shove down there. Can give you dog a repost. I lie. No, I'm gonna find it, bro. God.
Hold on. See it, type in it.
Oh, Biggie, me really care.
You see?
Telling a Biggie. Biggie. Hey. If you never see what me spell, say. You find him. I just play the music.
Yeah, man. He said, be not chap.
Be not chip.
Yeah.
Alright, go play it now for people, here. The people,
Yeah.
this is a Shamdan.
Can I back to the Wi-Fi?
Yes.
Hold on there.
Give me a second.
Sam down there.
Are you mad?
Yeah. Mother? A priest?
Yeah.
No. No, my mother dead January 23.
Condolences.
Respect.
Oh.
Not really my family, but he's a big man that kind of help me out in a certain way.
Brother, because you have too much phone on, brother.
Man,
Wanna hear it?
Funny line, man, I cook. Chop a lard, get the bang, I get the book. Rings me and look still a Gucci from the book. The Gucci pants, we take a remove it. And you know later, is a room. Yeah, from who the girl a boom. Yeah, I can and I tell me, we take that down. The girl a move good deal.
Yeah.
On the line, me a cook, so what you find, then I'm in the chopping. On the line, I'm in the chatting, you know, I'm still a cooking. So you win the lottery.
I'm at the bunk for radio, you know.
Hello, sir, you in the package. Money in my pocket, food, me have to stack it. Then me mother, sister, happy, then me buy a
Some fire for your give me, man. Chip one part, my father. Yeah, watch you know. We have enough things to deal with. I never flight ticket, so you know that good. Connection. Bam. Yo, me rate that still. The dog a check for him, bro, you know. Jano. Yo, me respect everybody where they on the live, yo. Where they on the live and support this. You see me, I say? Me respect everybody where they on the live and support this. You see me? And I support my new song, Mohammed, as well. Oh!
Good night.
Good night.
So, I am J-Mar. I am 16 years old and I can't remember. Like I've been watching the live and my chest is my heart is beating very fast. So I live with my grandma and cousin Annie. My
In and out. More area officer. Jano. Did you really want to hear a chef say another? Jano. What's your name? Young J Vivo. Add my back. Yeah, me didn't want to hear a chef say still, you know. Swear. Yo, enough people not like see blessings. That's why enough people not got upon the life. Enough people not like see certain things, you know, bro. I tell you that, brother. Me say you were corrupt, you know. You better know that too. When it comes to help people and to see people successful, some people not like see it. Some people not like see certain things, brother. Yeah, man. I would hear tell me something for both. See with the piece of chain and I say, I can't see. You see me, I say? Sometimes I humble, yes. And sometimes you have to hype on the pussy them, because enough of them now want to see in a certain things, you know. Some people want to see upon a square one. Yeah. Biggie, check your DM. Check your DM. Oh.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good night.
Yeah, the darkness thing, it'll get me scared.
I don't have any light. We're gone.
You're not having a light?
We're gone.
So your phone charge up?
Oh?
Or your phone charge up?
Wait a minute, my phone charge up. We get
charge. How you charge it?
20 there, but now we gone.
Where you stay?
I want desert, me want.
Huh?
Would I take one pro box your own taxi? Test 2I.
Yeah, but that behave like me freeze. You know when you freeze? Come here. She said she want a probe. I think I'm going to move. Let's get on there. Yo, Jano.
Jesus, Father.
Let's get on and freeze them. I think I'm going to have it in a biggie. You know me disgusting already. Yo, few people them don't want them. Yo, but soon talk to them.
You can't hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Hi?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Oh, but I can't hear you.
You can hear me?
Let me take a screenshot. I'm here. Can't wait to see you at Sands.
Yeah, I'll get Sands.
You're going to have to add me again.
Go ahead. You see what I'm going. You give me your arm, remember, you up, and I'm going to try to talk. You want to give a still. I say, I'm back. You're a chef, I like that thing. One guy's play. One of them nice green jacket for that.
Okay. I'm really sorry about that. My Wi-Fi was moving a bit. So, yeah. Last year I found out about this condition of my heart. That's why I'm shaking right now because I'm bent down. Yeah, I'm dead. So, I think exercise.
Stop, I say. Talk to me. I mean, serious. Then, one thing can get some right Wi-Fi, bro. I'm Google on this. No. Yeah, I'm going to get a flight on the where you are. Be a person in there. I'm not going to help me know what to say. Shut down here. That man. Shut down here. I don't know. I don't know. Shut down here. Somebody's trying to live, please. Mr. Girl, as I'm reaching. Reach out to her. Reach out to her. I'll see for sure. You're sure to see me. English, no, I'm not going to fly. I'm not people. They can't say you know. True definition of a diamond. I'm not pressure again. I'm wiser. No pressure. Diamond get pressure here. Brother, you try to see me. Yo. What you say? High school. I'm kind of weird. You want to see a look. I'm not going to yo, just isn't it? Yeah, let me see you. And you can't see you, so you know, I really should get you. You're not afraid for it. I want to take one. Now I'm don't say them. What you say? Yeah. I'm just let's go there for and yeah, me have 6 people, isn't me? Me have an ex-sister, young man in high school, September. So I really have the money if you work at 6 months, so I go look at work because I mean, I'm a sister, but I live in Umbrella, but I see my sister work at school. So I don't have like skill in me like 1 year before I go back at 6 months. And that I feel nothing that I get. Yeah, we know we are quite a bit here now. Did you want to tell you to go back to school? Yeah, work at 6 months. Work at 6 months, yeah. Yeah, come to 6 years. I get the result, but not all the time. We know we have 6 months. Yeah, I might have found it. Well, even though I'm not a work and thing, but you know, come sister and I come back to school and buy up. Kind of pressure you down. Yeah. What's your name? CC, Klein where's the name? RJ. What's your name? Let me name, but you know, everything, man. Good, man. Alright. Bam. Let me eat it, Vicky. Yeah, fine. When you see it, you can watch it, One half fully man. Jano. One half full stop. Jano, not the one sir. Go to in a coming. Chop your line from the road. Chop your line. I tell you man that go chop the line. The line so now. Wait enough. Out.
Oh, Daripa.
Who?
Daripa. The artist from Trinidad.
Oh, man, I do that today, bro.
We never have Trinidad.
No, I do that today, bro. Trinidad my place, man. Not doing that today, boy. Can't buy it today. Do it in the week or so. I'm gonna plan it out, man.
Alright, I can do something. I don't do it. I don't do dance on a project.
I can go some fast. Give us some fast.
So you got me space, right? I just race some for you, just like wait, let me do what I got to do when it's after you on a long time. My crew said, catch my gun. Because only when I ain't gonna run, nigga, bitches, I do this for fun. Yeah, it is. I do this for fun. Yeah, I do this for fun. Shorty got me in the corner, she's so sweet, got me thinking, should I want it from the West Indies? So you know I got a home. Yeah, so you know I got a home with the shorty got. Yeah, but do it on Daripa on YouTube, do it on like and subscribe.
Alright,
You know, sir?
Okay. Oh, yeah, boy. So, like, 4:20 minutes live. And you like more persons, I think it's gonna have to go next day, bro. I think somebody else quick. Alright. I did that from that to come here rapping on the boy. You play some from mixing. You want to play some from mixing, come. Hold on. Show the live. Who next? Different time zone. Fire the eye. Don't say. Go on. Put it up. Stop it, mixing. Go next. That must be right.